Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxtail pho. First, you'll need about 3 pounds of oxtail. Rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any bone fragments. Next, blanch the oxtail in a large pot of boiling water for about 10 minutes. This crucial step helps remove impurities and creates a clearer broth. After blanching, drain the oxtail and rinse both the meat and the pot very well. Now let's build that incredible broth. Toast 2 large onions, 6 slices of ginger, and about 5-star anise pods until fragrant. This step deepens their flavor. Add these toasted aromatics to your clean pot with the rinsed oxtail. Pour in approximately 10 cups of fresh water, along with a tablespoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 3 to 4 hours. After simmering, remove the oxtail and set it aside. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve to ensure it's perfectly clear. Skim any remaining fat or foam from the surface. Now, it's time to season. Add fish sauce and rock sugar to taste, balancing the savory and sweet notes. While the broth is hot, prepare your rice noodles by soaking or boiling them as directed on the package. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious oxtail pho. Slice the tender oxtail meat thinly and arrange it over the prepared rice noodles in a large bowl. Garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro, basil, and green onions. Ladle the hot, aromatic broth over everything. Serve immediately with lime wedges and chili sauce on the side. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.